Hello teacher, today I will tell you about an operating system, latest Windows 10. I want to talk about Windows 10. It is an operating system for computer. Uh, Windows 10 is mostly used for home computer um, and laptop, but also used in some offices. It was developed by Microsoft, a famous American company. Uh, Windows 10 were developed in 2015 and it became very popular soon after. This system used a graphic user interface with icon, menus, and window. I feel comfortable when using Windows 10 because it is easy to use and familiar. I can do many things like write document, browse the internet, and watching video. Thank you for listening.